When you delete a file, it doesn't vanish immediately. Instead, it is marked as deleted, and the space it occupied is available for new data. There are two types of deletions: soft deletes, where files can be recovered easily, and hard deletes, which make recovery much more difficult. To retrieve deleted files, check your recycling bin on Windows or trash on Mac. Just open it, locate your files, and restore them easily. If your files aren't in the bin, popular recovery software like Recover or Disk Drill can help. These tools scan your drive for recoverable files. Always utilize backup solutions. Tools like Windows Backup, Time Machine for Mac, or cloud services can save you from the brink of data loss. Once a file is deleted, the space it occupied can be overwritten by new data. The more you use your computer, the less chance you have of recovering that file. Preventing data loss is crucial. Always double-check before deleting, maintain regular backups, and consider using file protection software. Not all files can be recovered. If the data is overwritten or deleted long ago, it might be beyond retrieval. Let's explore some real-life examples where recovery attempts were both successful and unsuccessful, highlighting the unpredictable nature of data recovery. In summary, while file recovery is possible, it's important to stay proactive with backups and understand the limits of recovery tools. Don't wait until it's too late.